So you asked me in the field of energy what is the 2020 strategy, and I have to say that in the field of energy it's quite precise, because there are 3 targets to be met by 2020: reduction of greenhouse gas emissions 20%, 20% of renewable source of energy in the energy mix, and an improvement of energy efficiency of 20%. The 2 first targets are binding, and the third is only indicative. But what is important is to see that the internal market for energy is the cornerstone to achieve all these targets, which are on their way to be achieved. Maybe in contrast with other targets, these targets have a good chance to be met by 2020. And by the way, there is already prolongation of these targets for the period after 2020, since the European Council decided last Friday about the framework for 2030. And he added a new target, which is a 10% level of interconnection between the member states in the field of electricity, having particularly in mind the connection of the Iberian Peninsula with the rest of Europe and the Baltic states also. So I think that energy has a very comprehensive policy at the moment, and it should evolve more towards the energy union, which is another type of governance which is needed and which we will probably see in the coming years.